What if I told you the best place to sell your digital products isn't Etsy or Instagram or even Amazon? It's not about picking the most popular platform. It's about picking the right one for you. And that's where it's easy to get caught up in shiny object syndrome when you're first starting out. Because the truth is, you don't need to be on every platform. You need to be on the right platform based on what stage you're in, how much tech you're comfortable with, and what kind of passive income you want to build. And today, I'm going to help you figure that out for yourself. And hey, if you're into content that's clear, beginner-friendly, and made for people like us who are building businesses after hours and on our own terms, do me a quick favor and hit like and subscribe. It helps more people find this kind of content, and it tells YouTube that you want to see more videos like this in your feed. If you're dreaming about creating passive income and finally making money online with your own digital products, but every time you look at all the options like Etsy, Stand Store, Amazon, Instagram, YouTube, you freeze, you overthink, or you start Googling which one's easiest, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through a simple way to choose the best place to start selling, even if you're brand new, even if you don't have an audience yet, and even if tech is not your thing. Okay, let's break this all down using what I call the GPS framework. G stands for goals, P is for platform visibility, and S is for simplicity. This framework makes it really easy to cut through the noise and choose what fits you best. All right, so if we start with G for goals, this is the part that most people skip right over. First, you need to set your goal. You ask yourself, are you trying to make money quickly with something scrappy and simple? Are you looking to build a long-term brand that runs in the background while you work your day job? Or do you want to just test an idea and see if it sticks? Because your goal changes what platform makes sense. If you want quick wins and fast feedback, you might want to start on Etsy or Amazon. If you're building a personal brand or something that grows with you, you'll want to set up like Stand Store, partnered up with Instagram or YouTube. The key is don't pick a platform before you know what your goal is. That's what leads to burnout and starting over and over and over again. Okay, P is for platform visibility. Now let's talk about traffic. There are two kinds of platforms. Platforms that bring the traffic to you and platforms where you have to bring the traffic. So Etsy and Amazon, they bring the traffic. People are searching for planners, checklists, templates, ebooks. They're already in a buying mindset when they get there. But you're also one of thousands of sellers, and you don't own that customer relationship. On the flip side, platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and your Stand Store don't bring the traffic for you. You have to show up and create content to attract the right people. But the upside, you build a real relationship. You can talk directly to your audience and your content keeps working for you, especially on YouTube. So the question becomes, do you want built-in visibility right now? Or do you want to build your own visibility over time? Okay, S is for simplicity. For a lot of people, tech is one of the things that really trips them up. If you're spending hours trying to build a fancy website just to sell a $7 product, you're going to get discouraged real quick. But the good news is, you don't need a full website. You don't even need a storefront to start selling. Platforms like Stand Store, Gumroad, and PayHip let you sell your product and deliver it automatically without needing a single line of code. You upload your file, you write a quick description, you set your price, and basically you're live. If you're overwhelmed by tech, these are the platforms I'd recommend every single time. If you're serious about selling your first digital product, but you don't want to waste weeks overthinking every step, I've got something you're going to love. It's called the $7 Shortcut to Selling Your First Digital Product, and it walks you through everything you need to go from idea to first sale using tools you already have. I'll drop the link to the waitlist down below in the description if you want early access and a bonus or two when it goes live. Let's quickly compare some of the most popular choices. Etsy has built-in buyers and it's easy to list a product, but you're one of thousands and you don't own the customer. It's great for testing your idea or making quick sales fast. Stand Store is perfect for personal brands. It sells digital products, services, even courses, and lets you host your lead magnets and deliver them. And you keep the customer. But you need to create the content and drive the traffic. So this is best if you're using social media or building your own email list. With Instagram and TikTok, great for building visibility, easy to create reels or stories to promote your offer, but it's not a selling platform. You still need a link tool or a store. And it doesn't last long term unless it's paired with an actual store. So it's great for connecting, but not where the actual transaction happens. Now, YouTube is long-term evergreen traffic. It builds deep trust through tutorials and storytelling. It's slower to grow, and it requires more setup and planning. But it's amazing for long-term growth and driving consistent sales passively. Now with Amazon, it's a massive marketplace and people are ready to buy when they get there. But you can't build a relationship with your buyer, and it's harder to stand out. But it's a great place to sell journals, workbooks, ebooks, but not ideal for building a business with you at the center. So, how to choose? If you're still feeling stuck, let me help you simplify. If you want to test fast and see if your product sells, start with Etsy or Amazon. You want to build long-term and grow your brand, start with StanStore partnered up with Instagram or YouTube. If you want no tech headaches, choose StanStore, Gumroad, or PayHip. And if you want to create once and let it sell over time, really focus on YouTube. You don't need to do all of them. In fact, please don't try to. Pick one place to start, learn it, grow into it, then layer on more as you go. So, what's the best place to sell your digital product? It's not Etsy, it's not StanStore, it's not Instagram or YouTube. It's the one that fits your goals, your energy, and your comfort level right now. And the best part is, you can always evolve as you grow. The goal is progress, not perfection. Now that you know where to sell your product, the next question is, what should that product even be? If you want to see how to create simple digital products using tools you already have access to, watch this next video where I walk you through how to start making money online with Canva and ChatGPT. It's a step-by-step look at how to turn what you know into digital products that actually sell without needing a big team, a big budget, or a big following. If this saved you time or gave you clarity, please hit like and subscribe. I've got a lot more videos coming and they're all made with you in mind.